organs and their functions. First, we're going to be talking about the pancreas. So what does the pancreas do? So we know that the pancreas is a blood sugar regulator. So it produces insulin and glucagon, which work together to regulate glucose levels. Insulin facilitates the uptake and storage of glucose when levels are high, while glucagon promotes the release of glucose when levels are low. This also ties into how the pancreas is an energy manager. It plays a crucial role in the metabolism and regulates energy delivery and release. Another important function of the pancreas is that it secretes digestive enzymes into the small intestine. These enzymes, including amylases and lipases, they aid in the breakdown of carbs, fats, and proteins from ingested food. The pancreatic enzymes contribute to the digestive process and support nutrient absorption. So the pancreas does do a lot of things. These are just some of the main things that it does. And yeah, and then next we're going to talk about the liver. So what does the liver do? The liver is basically a detoxification center. It detoxifies harmful substances, including drugs, toxins, and metabolic byproducts. It transforms these substances into water-soluble compounds that can be eliminated from the body. It also plays a crucial role in metabolism. It metabolizes carbs, and it also helps regulate blood sugar levels. It processes and stores fats, synthesizes lipoproteins, and participates in lipid metabolism. It also makes proteins. So the liver produces many proteins essential for blood clotting, immune function, and maintaining fluid balance. A good example of this is what we see. Oh, I think we're going back. Yep, still on liver. Yep. A good example of this is jaundice, which we will talk about a little bit closer later on. But essentially, when your blood cells break down, they produce a yellow substance called bilirubin. It travels in your blood to the liver, where it is supposed to be processed and removed. But if your liver isn't working properly, it actually accumulates in your blood, and that makes your skin and eyes get a bit of a yellowish hue. And that's what we see as jaundice. Again, we'll talk about it a little more later on. Another important function of the liver is the storage of nutrients. It stores essential nutrients such as vitamins A, D, B12, and minerals like iron and copper for later use. And it also produces bile, which is a digestive fluid that emulsifies fats in the small intestine. Yeah, so that aids in digestion and things like that. And now we can move on. Yep.
All right, so what does the heart do? So the heart pumps blood. So it pumps blood, oxygenated blood to other parts of the body. It also receives deoxygenated blood and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. It also maintains blood pressure. So blood pressure is the pressure of circulating blood against the walls of blood vessels.